Good morning and good evening, everyone. My name is Jayaprakash Singh, and today's session is very interesting topic. Today's topic is importance of student life. So मैं स्टार्टिंग करने से पहले इस सेशन का आप सबसे एक बात कहना चाहूँगा कि अगर इस चैनल पर आप नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और शेयर तो अधिक से अधिक लोगों तक ज़रूर कीजिए। और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण बात यह है कि इस सेशन के लास्ट में इसका हिंदी में कंक्लूजन देंगे, तो आप लोग बने रहिए वीडियो में। अब चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। सो कुंदन जी, आई वांट टू से यू कैन यू से समथिंग अबाउट इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ स्टूडेंट लाइफ?
Yes, JPJ, thank you for giving me for this opportunity. And you said many points of your student life. So I want to say that the student life is the very memorable day of all students. Everyone discuss about your personal student life with your childhood friends, and it's a really very touchable or a good feeling day that really it is a very good time, and in that time is the learning period of all students, you know. So if you learn good, then it is work for whole life time it work. So if you learn and spend more, if you not learn and spend time with a bad boy or bad culture, bad society, then it's put in your habit and behavior, and it's never change. As you like say that जैसी संगति होती है वैसे ही लोग बन जाते हैं. That type of nature you have, and that type of nature in a student life, if you not have a good habit, then it's whole life effective. So it's a very valuable time for all students. In my personal life, my student life is very good, and in my student life, I am very enjoying that time. And also in my class, every class like 1 to 8, I am a very naughty boy in the class. Every teacher scold me, and many teachers scold me and out me in the class, and it is a very good experience for me also. And this time when we meet our childhood friend or school friend, that we will discuss about how we are done in the school and playing. And after school, when bell was ringing, then we run out of the school and go to the buses for seat. And many time we fight with children for seat. This is my seat. This is my seat. Why are you sitting in my seat? Many time, and many small movement I have learned. I never forget that moment. So many times we fight with my batchmate, and one at a time I share with you that in my Saraswati Sishu Vidya Mandir in Giredi, we are four friends in the batch. So when we go and when we travel with bus, school bus, then our seat was reserved. So one student came and sit there. So I scold him, why are you sit my seat? And उसको हम लोग भगा दिए. So he complained with principal, and principal told we four friends, and that time he क्या बोलते हैं, ग्राउंड में खड़ा करवा दिए in the between of the ground and in the prayer time. So it is a very और इस वजह से we are famous in the school. That's why so it's a really a good experience, and many times and also I am many times I am a first rank in my class, and teacher also gave me some gift. So also teacher said me, if you are तुम इतने बदमाश हो, पढ़ने में तेज हो, तो क्लासेस में फर्स्ट बनते. बट आफ्टर 8th class I changed my school. So that time I am in Kuti, Ranchi. So many मतलब उस समय मैं गलत संगति में पड़ गया कुछ स्टूडेंट्स, सो मेरी पढ़ाई थोड़ी सी ढीली पड़ गई. सो दैट मोमेंट इट्स अ वेरी बैड, एंड बहुत कुछ सीखने को भी मिला. एंड वहाँ पे कुछ रीजन की वजह से मैं बात आ गया. फिर बाद में मेरी एडमिशन, फिर मैंने यहाँ से पढ़ाई स्टार्ट किया. That's after 10th is in my jackpot. So this is the journey of my school. When I in my diary I also wrote my schooling life many few days before. Whole life of schooling I wrote this, and this is my whole journey of my schooling. And it is a very good moment of my school, and this time I am also learning, and this time I am also a student, and day by day I am improving my skill and learn all day. I want to learn every day. So this is my personal view of the student. So next one, anyone say about?
Today topic is very interesting topic, and student life about, and the importance of student life. It's said that student life is golden life, because the student life is the most important part of human being life. It is the period of pure joy and happiness, because mind of student is free from the any stress and the worries and tension, and the student life is the also learning time, and this learning time nothing return to their your life again and again. It is the coming only one time. So we have need to use this time perfectly and properly. If you want to make itself great and comfortable, then you can use this time properly to learning and the make itself personality. And you have need to also, if you like any person, then you have need to good behavior person with live, and make itself grateful and happiness your life, and use this time perfectly. And whose person use this time wrong doing work and waste their time, so they can those future turn on darkness. So
Okay, so this time, every hour, student life we start from our childhood and we go to school and to school. Many types of activities are including we read, we jump, play together, and many types of activities are including in our life. But this is very essential moment for us. If we do our every work in the right way, then our goal we can also achieve easily our goal. But we are not dedicated and we are not focused for our goal, then we will have to face many types of problems in our life. So in student life, we will have to sacrifice our desires and many types of emotions and many types of things. And many times we want to celebrate the function and do any type of thing. If we want to go in our student life to meet anyone, then we can't go because our family also restrict you don't do this and you will have to go to school. And I want to also say one thing. When our student life we started, then we have no more idea what to do in our life, what not to do in our life. So we are not clear about that thing. So we will have to need some mentor in our life. Many times our parents guide, but when we go to school, then teacher guide, do this and this is right for you and you will have to do you will have to do. And many times they make pressure on every student, and many times you will not follow you will not follow as they say, then they punish. So I say these types of things, we also feel burden, okay, because we are not clear about that thing. But when some time is spent in our life, after that we also be teenager. Then after that, slowly we understand and we saw our surrounding. Then also we also be aware everything. Then we will clear about that things what to do and what not to do, and after that we have to focus in our goal, and we also do our work as a responsible man. And I want to also say one thing, because if you take a student life lightly, then you will have too many types of problems. Because I don't tell you, you don't enjoy with your friends, you don't do any types of extracurricular, because you will have to everything, and everything is needed, but you will have to sensitive for your goal, and you will have to careful about your goal. And if your focus will be deviated, then it will be also cost for you, and you will have to suffer in whole time. If one students are careful about his life, and he do in his life something, and he achieve their goal, then after that not be his life only comfortable, but he can also help his society, and his success also related to our country. If do any types of success in his life, then our country also be developed. And if he is more intelligent, then due to their innovation, due to their idea, everyone be blessed in our country. So I say student life is very important, and this thing also we starting if starting of my life, starting of human life, starting time everyone spend some time in school, and that is very expensive for everyone. So this is my view.
Yeah, Mr. Sid, you very nicely covering your topic. It's of course student life is very essential for everyone, and if you learn more thing and you do hard work in your student life, then definitely success will come in future. And just like Sanjay just said that in the schooling life 1 to 10 we have no any tension without about future, but after 10 someone say what you do after 10, and after 10 you will do intermediate, and some your relation said what you do, then many students take and go to depression. So if you have any dedicated, or if you decide any goal and prepare for your goal, then definitely you achieve your dreams and your goals. So hi Nirmal ji, can you say about something about student life, how we achieve our goal and how students work hard?
Okay, so rather than saying the student life, I would like to share the entire life cycle of anyone, from the birth to death. Okay, so basically the thing we have to take care when a new baby comes into the world. Okay, we have to, until 6 hours, we have to take care properly, each and everything. Like I'm telling, what we have missing, what our parents missing in our life, that some in some case, some people are suffering also. Not us, not we are, but some of children are suffering because of their parents, and strictly saying on the parent face, because why? In small kid, I'm telling you what is a small kid doing. So like small kid are observing you, what are you doing? And they repeat the thing, and again they do the same thing. Okay, can you just think like how they make videos, like how they open the phone. Even they don't know what the Android, what is the phone, what is the like technology, they don't know, but they can open your phone by seeing once, twice, thrice. How they observe the thing like properly, like give 100%, like during the observation they give their 100%. Okay, like they look how dad open the phone, how mama open the phone, and he or she do the same thing. Okay, so remember that thing, because from the baby 1 year to like from the birth to the 6 year, he that still a high. What to that will be reflect. Hello, yeah, hello, I'm back.
Yes.
Hi, hello,
Yes.
hi, Bhutan. Am I audible?
Yeah.
So actually, I lost my connection. So like what they did in between like the birth to 6 years now, that will reflect on his life. So I will suggest you just don't do like 5 kind of things. Don't use slang like in front of them. And I just strictly say one thing: never leave the kid like until a 6 year in a dark place, because it will be causes the like हकलाते हैं ना कुछ लोग, जैसे कि बचपन से हकलाते also the issue was not there, but because they they put the boy and the children into the dark place and they lock the door. That's why because it's a budget. Like some typical women have the like thing. If like we are trying just to keep like हम बंद कर देते ना, like उसको like कहीं कमरे में बंद कर देते. Like don't do the kind of thing. Okay. So this is a part of baby. Like you have to take them, because we will become a like father someday. Some year, we have to know that the things, and we have to know that like how the like whole India doing the mistake also. Okay, and those person know that the children are the top. It is the thing, and you can search the highest position, like highest position people. That like their parents will suffer, they will suffer, but the children never suffer. Because why? Because they know how to treat the children. Okay, and I'm coming to the education system, the entire education system. Kundan saying one, like after election, the relative was saying, what are you doing? What you will do then? After like if you choose the like intermediate, then after intermediate, what you will do? Look, computer intermediate. Then after computer intermediate, you join. They never look how you are struggling, how you are putting your effort. They, I want to, sorry, Kundan, I want to, okay. So the entire system are like that, because if you want to do something, you have that. Okay, so that entire education system will like look like that, because of the system, like that people who don't have idea about the physics, chemistry. If they choose science now, they have to read that. Okay, and so we with the like educated how we world will on, and we can guide our parents. Sorry, we can guide our children, the upcoming generation. Don't drag to the like you have to become an engineer, you have to become a doctor. It doesn't matter. Seriously, I'm telling you, it doesn't matter. I'm telling you truth. Okay, I'm an engineer. I get software engineer, and my like little bus is just pass out intermediate, earning more than me. Seriously, I'm telling you. My salary, what I got salary, is just on in 15 days. Just think what did he do? What did he did? What did he did? These are like wireman, like he's wiring that house. Okay, in one call he get 70 lakh, sorry, 17,000. But in one call, if you like person like get 20,000, okay, in between 10 days, 20,000, like did they not anything, like the people like who want to do something like special, do something more. Don't drag to you have to choose medical, you have to go for the medical. Rather than going to medical, he's just like focusing on the electric things that he can better in that day field. Okay, like consider our like we know Java. If we will go for the medical stuff, we don't know about the medical. Like we are focusing on the technical things. That's why we are here. Go to the Java, any kind of software technology. And my have the like another thing. He like if you want to become a like electrician, that's why he go to that field. And one more thing, he never take training from anywhere. Seriously, I'm telling you. He never take training from anywhere. He just watch from the YouTube and he learn the things and he implement and he got. And even he done a lot of things by watching YouTube only. Because that entire education system changed. People don't know. Seriously, and people don't know. The whole entire education system already changed. There are YouTube, there are some online platform to learn the thing. But we are dragging our like children that we have to go through the cycle. This is our problem. Okay. So about I'm coming the studying life, like persons, like each and every person's stages, like the studying birth, every phases has an important role. If you are like working person also, that is a like entire like that is also main role. Every phases have different roles and every roles are important. If you don't become a good like a learner that time of like your education time, studying time, student time, then you never get a better job. And if you're not doing proper work in your job section, then you not never get a promotion. You never get a salary hike. If you not get what you about the like what you want that much of money, if you not get after doing that hard work, then you will get frustrated in your personal will be destroyed. Okay, and with that job also there is a personal life with your family, with your parents, with your like upcoming wife, upcoming spouse, and upcoming the children. So for everything you have to be resolved. Okay, for everything you have to give the particular time. It doesn't matter if you're doing the job, you like left your family, entire family, and you have the family. That doesn't mean you don't work for the office because they give you money and family give you support. So you never left anything in your entire life. You have to carry everything until your death. Okay, from the birth to death, you have to carry everything. We are, don't know about the real fact also. We are carrying everything. Those are carrying their success. Okay, and the success doesn't mean like you become a millionaire. Success, like for me, the success like in success, like we can say, in entire life cycle, you give your best in your parent life, in your personal life, in your professional life, in your entire life, you give your 100%, then it is become success. भाई एक बात बताओ, लाखों कमाए बीवी छोड़ के चले जाए, कहाँ का सक्सेस आएगा? नहीं चल। लाखों कमाओ, बेटे बेटी तुमको मारने पे तुला है, क्या फायदा? कुछ नहीं फायदा। लाखों कमाओ, अपने पापा को नहीं देख, माँ पापा को नहीं देख पाओ, भाई उनको अनाथ आश्रम में लाइक वृद्धाश्रम में छोड़ दो, बस क्या फायदा? हाँ भाई, बेटा बेटी पैदा कर दिए, मतलब ये सर्वाइव करने के लिए औकात नहीं, अनाथ आश्रम में बच्चे को छोड़ दिए, क्या फायदा? नहीं फायदा, देयर आर नथिंग। If you become successful, don't be a plan to become a millionaire. A plan to become a like leader, where you can lead your entire life, where you can give your entire life to 100%. Then you become a like good person. Like first, I'm telling you what you will become to become a good, first of all, a good children for your parents, a good employee for your office, a company, a good father for your children. You become a son, become a good children for your parents, and you become a good father, good father, good parent for your children. And at last, you will become a good person for the entire world. Okay. So consider what you want to do. Don't just drag anything. Just don't blindly. Every time telling everyone, don't blindly follow anyone. Just take some time, research on that, and get the best result and focus on that, rather than blindly following to anyone. बिकॉज भाई यहाँ पे तो बोलने के लिए सब कुछ कोई बोल देता है। मैं तो महात्मा गांधी हो जाऊंगा बोल के, मेरे को कोई फॉलो करेगा नहीं करेगा, क्योंकि मैंने नहीं किया था अपना देश को स्वाधीन, लाइक नहीं लाया था मैंने इंडिपेंडेंट, तो मेरे को कोई फॉलो नहीं करेगा। बोलने को तो सब कुछ बोल देते। सो वी हैव टू थिंक what we implement in our life. If you're implementing personally, I'm suggesting if you are if you're following to some person now, just research on that, like he or she like doing the right thing, telling the right thing or not. Then you can follow blind. If you got like if you get that 100%, no, that person what he is saying, what he is saying is 100% correct in, and that thing will change my entire life, then I will suggest following. Otherwise, don't waste your time to rest following to anyone. Seriously. Because I am never following to anyone. Don't be a follower, always don't be a walker. Try to become a leader. I'm always saying to everyone, try to become a leader. When you lead, rather than become inspired from anyone. Yeah, you can take the reference. It doesn't mean like you don't never follow to anyone. You follow that one, but rather than going blindly, just should do some research, do some R&D. We can say R&D. Okay. So this thing like I am done. Okay, I take like lot of time I think.
Yeah, very nicely said, Nirmal ji. That how we treat the babies in a child babies, and the second thing, don't push your child कि आपको यही बनना पड़ेगा। बच्चे को जिस चीज में इंटरेस्ट है उसी फील्ड में जाना चाहिए। एंड थर्ड थिंग कि you success is you give your 100% in your field, that is the success। and ऐसा नहीं कि सक्सेस पा जाने के बाद आप बहुत सारी चीजें भूल जाए। if सक्सेस मतलब सक्सेस बनने से पहले आपको एक अच्छा रिस्पॉन्सिबल पर्सन बनना पड़ेगा।
Because the thing is, when you get the power, that comes with great responsibility. There is a word. If you get like great power, then it comes with the great responsibility. So never let your responsibility because of the power. Like after coming in some position, like people forget how to talk it. I know some person. They're like seriously I'm telling, they forget how to talk with people, how to behave with people. But don't do that, because no one does like he or she don't know nothing. Because of he or she is here now, he knows something, he can or she can do something. But like that, these are not right time for him or her. So when the time will come now, until you even you can't stand in front of them. I'm telling you. If someone like discouraging you, if someone criticizing you, na, just leave that person. Yeah, you are right now, because I don't have anything. When I become something now, just tell me that time, and I will tell you